Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetic YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about static variable, how to declare a static variable, how to initialize that static variable too. Okay, we will understand everything. Before going ahead, I just want to let you know guys that we have made videos on different topics of Java. In the recent video, we have discussed about how to declare or initialize the local variable in our Java program. So please keep check it out, and if you have any kind of doubt, please let us know and in the comment section box. And do subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get a lot of notification from us. And please keep press the like button so you can encourage us to make this type of content. Okay, so let's start. As you see that this is our last example that we have created for to make you understand what is local variable. Okay, so in the theoretical video we have cleared you that in the static variable is nothing but a class variable. Once a static variable is created, not any other copy is created for that. Okay, only one static variable is okay, and it is also known as class variable. So how to declare that? Public, then static keyword. Okay, now there should be a data type of a keyword, like say, let's suppose string, and let's say name is our. So this is how we declare the static static keyword in Java. Okay, this is how we declare. Let's suppose let's run this program. Okay, okay. To to access this static keyword in our main method, we can access by using this class dot static variable name. Okay, so if we run this program, then we will find null because we haven't sorry, okay, we haven't initialized anything is in this name. We haven't uh, uh, given any type of data in this name variable. Let's say this time we will give do subscribe do subscribe our SUBSCRIB. Do subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the data. This is the string that we have put in the name variable, and we have done both things: declare or initialize. Initialize initialize the static keyword in the same line. Okay, so we have used only one line, and in that one line we have declared or initialized the static keyword. Okay, now if we run this same program again, we will find that our output is to subscribe YouTube channel. Okay, can we access the same static keyword in different manner? Yes, because static keyword is a class variable, so that we can use in the same way. Like we have used the same name here, and then here, then run. Okay, so we got our output. Now I have one question for you, or you can check out if we use the same type of variable, string type variable here, and in that we use same variable name also, can we use or can we access both at the same time? You can check it out in your video. I will let you know in upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked our content. If you have any kind of doubt, then please let us know. Thank you.